Hello friends, it's Edith back with another tip for you. I talk about my diabetes and also show you some crafts that I work on just to keep busy and to relieve some stress. If you've got a lot of health issues that keep you in the house, it's important to keep busy and not just constantly be worried about what's going to happen. And today I wanted to just bring up a little bit about what to do if you're in a hurricane or you suspect a hurricane's coming, severe thunderstorm, tornadoes. If they ask you to leave your house and go to a safe place, things that you should know is like with medications, make sure you have 2 weeks supplies of testing strips, sensors. Also bring along important papers. First aid kit flashlight. Extra batteries if you're going to be camping, propane for grill or camp stove, a weather radio, deck of cards, a gallon of water per person for each day. For drinking, essential water, smart water, berry flavored Powerade Zero or lemon Gatorade. And if you want, you can just always keep a warm blanket in your car and maybe some snacks in your car. Of course, flashlight, battery charger, whatever you think is necessary to keep you going for at least 3 days, I would say. As far as food that we can eat, if you're doing the low carb, high in good fats, nuts, compliant nuts, those cheese whips, pork rinds, beef sticks, a granola that's compliant is made up of almonds, pecans, unsweetened coconut, pumpkin seeds. And then if you're going to take anything canned, you need a can opener, canned or pouch of tuna packed in olive oil, canned salmon, canned green beans. There's also canned yellow beans. But OMG, how the prices of these canned objects has gone up. Yellow wax beans are now $2.09 at Walmart, where I used to buy them for 79 cents. All right, that's today's society. A cooler with ice packs. Or if you don't have ice packs, I take frozen vegetables. Or you can also freeze water in water bottles. Very important. One thing that I like is hard-boiled eggs. They fill you up and they taste good. Compliant deli meat, such as boar's head, blocks of cheese, and compliant pickles, which are not sweetened. All right, just a couple tips today. It's Thursday today, September 14th, so the weekend's coming up, and we should have some beautiful fall weather here in Wisconsin. Hope your weather's great, too. God bless, and I'll see you next time. Bye.